Niger's army has witnessed a deadly encounter. The country's Ministry of Defense said that at least 17 Niger soldiers have been killed in an attack by armed groups near the border with Mali. According to a statement released late on Tuesday, a detachment of the Nigerian Armed Forces or FAN moving between Boni and Torodi was the victim of a terrorist ambush near the town of Kotogo. It added that another 20 soldiers had been injured, with all of them evacuated to Niamey, the capital. The army said that more than 100 assailants were neutralized during their retreat. In the last decade, the border area where central Mali, northern Burkina Faso, and western Niger converge has become the epicenter of violence by armed groups linked to Al Qaeda and ISIL or ISIS in the Sahel region. Anger at the bloodshed has fueled military takeovers in all the three countries since 2020, with Niger the latest to fall to a coup on July 26th when President Mohamed Bazoum was removed. Southeast Niger is also the target of armed groups crossing from northeastern Nigeria, which is the cradle of a campaign initiated by Boko Haram in 2010. The coup leaders had said that Bazoum's ouster was due to the insecurity in the country. They said that it was due to the deteriorating security situation and bad governance. On Tuesday, the Niger junta said that it was open to talks to resolve the regional crisis caused by the military coup. The military-appointed Prime Minister Ali Mahamadou Lamine Zaini visited Chad to meet President Mohamed Deby. Following his meeting, Prime Minister Lamine Zaini said that he brought a message of good neighborliness and good fraternity from the head of Niger's regime. The junta is also set to prosecute ousted President Mohamed Bazoum for high treason over his exchanges with foreign heads of state and international organizations. On Sunday, junta spokesperson Colonel Amadou Abdrahmane said that the military authorities had gathered the necessary evidence to prosecute the ousted president for high treason and undermining the internal and external security of Niger.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.